Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable Christmas ribbon wreath. What you will need, I have a wreath ring, I have burlap, white, and plaid ribbon, and they are already cut into 8-inch long pieces. You can use whatever colors or styles you decide. I also have my chenille stems that I have cut in half, and scissors. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is place my chenille stems on my ring. I'm going to take the first one and go on the outer inner stem. And I'm going to place 2 on the outer inner stem, just like that. And then 1 in between on the inner stem. So essentially it's outer, inner, outer, and we'll continue going all the way around the ring. Now, you do have the option of using a full chenille stem and twisting it around the outer 2 rings, and then the inner 2 and the outer 2 if you prefer to do so. I like using the half of a chenille stem because I'm not wasting a full chenille stem, and I don't have to worry about tucking away a full chenille stem. But this does give you a little more stability. The shorter ones, they do move a little bit. So it's completely up to you. But I'm going to go with the half of a chenille stem. So outer, inner, outer. The next stem will go on the inner, and then outer, inner. And we're just going to continue alternating just like that. So this stem is on the inner, the next one is on the outer, and the last one will go on the inner, and so forth and so on. Outer, inner, all the way around the ring. Alright, I'm going to get the rest of the stems placed, and then we'll start adding our ribbon bundles. Alright, so we are all done. Now we're just going to move that to the side and then take your ribbon. So I've decided to go with 2 pieces of plaid, 1 piece of white, and 1 piece of burlap. Again, use whatever color scheme and patterns you decide. So I'm going to start with the burlap on the bottom, crisscross the plaid, and then the white, and then my other plaid piece. Just like that. And I'm going to scrunch it all in the center. And then you can kind of adjust it and fan it out if you choose to do so, but you can also do this once it's in place. And I'm going to start on the outer stem, place my bundle, twist it a couple of times, and then tuck it away. And then you can kind of fan it out, adjust it, maneuver it a little bit. Just like that. And I like to crisscross the pieces so that each piece of ribbon is visible. Alright, now I'm going to make another bundle, but I'm going to alternate the ribbon order. So last time I started with the burlap, this time I'm actually going to start with the white and crisscross the plaid, and then the burlap and the plaid once more. Again, scrunch it all in the center and place it in the very next chenille stem. So the first bundle I placed was in the outer stem, and then I'm going to go to the next inner stem. Right there, so outer and inner. So place my bundle, twist it a couple of times, and then tuck it away. Just like that, and then adjust it and maneuver it. The more bundles you get placed, the easier it will be to maneuver it, and the bundles won't move around as much. So I'm going to continue repeating these steps, making my bundles, alternating the colors and the patterns as much as I'd like. So this is what one section looks like, and I have 3 bundles in one section. It looks so cute and precious already. This is what the back looks like. And now I'm just going to continue on all the way around my ring. Alright, I have all of my bundles in place, 3 bundles in each of my 6 sections for a total of 18 bundles. Now I'm just adjusting, maneuvering, making sure everything is visible. I'm layering out my bundles. It looks so cute and precious. You can definitely add something to the center. You can add additional embellishments, whatever you'd like. But I think it looks so cute and precious just like this. This is what the back looks like. You see it's alternating, inner, outer, inner, outer. So cute and precious. If you want to add 4 bundles to each section, you can definitely do so. You could definitely add 4 bundles to each section if you want a thicker, fuller wreath, but I think this one is the perfect size. So simple and easy to make. You can even make it with items purchased at Dollar Tree. So cute and simple to make. Add any additional embellishments, add a cute sign to the center, whatever you'd like. Just have fun with it and make it your own.